Please, I tried to tell them to help me, but they just look at you and keep walking. And then we were sitting there for 10 minutes, and after some Egyptian guys help us and take us into a estate. And then after a couple of minutes, the ambulance came and they brought us here. I don't know why they did this. I didn't do nothing to them.
What do you say to treaters?
Why?
What do you say to treaters?
Terrorists? Why? Why did they do it? No.
الاصابات بتاعتها ايه؟ معلش.
ورعت اصابه اللي هي ديكا حسن. كان عندها تهتك بالفقرة اليسرى وعملنا لها بتر فوق الركبه.
دي صوماليه ولا الايه دي؟ جنسيتها ايه؟
صوماليه بريطانيه. صوماليه بريطانيه وعملنا لها بتر فوق الركبه اليسرى.
ومين وبقيه الحالات اللي موجوده؟ الحالات
يعني ممكن كل دكتور بقى يقول لك على كل حاله.
شكرا.